My friends, watch here what I've got. And sorry, I'm tired of carrying this Sansui. It is one of the old TVs. It is dead heavy. It's a dead weight, guys. So let me turn it around so that you can see. You will remember this stuff. This big stuff. So the story of it is, it works all years, and now with the storms, when the power come back, the power was off. When the power come back, it just make a blow noise and it's dead. Okay, so let's open it at the back and see if we can hopefully see a fuse that is blown. Because this stuff is spare, is non-existing. Alright, I'll bring you back. Okay guys, I've got it somewhat loose. I think we must first put it on and confirm that it's totally dead. Okay, it's plugged into the wall. It is actually now on. Okay, so nothing happened. Okay guys, I've got it up, but I see here is some plugs that I need to pull out, and that red wire there, there's a couple of plugs to get the whole thing off so that we can see the PC board. But I first want to make sure this will not shock me. Somewhere I think is power that can make trouble. So I'll come back to you. Okay, this is the best scenario with my jack handle. So, can you remember this? We call it a base in Afrikaans. I'm not sure what it's in English. But there is some burn marks, if I see. Not sure if that says something. And this is the PC board. So I will obviously inspect it for capacitors that is blown or a fuse and so on. Actually, I did see a fuse somewhere. Here is a fuse just in the center of the screen. Is one. I'll check it out now quickly. Okay, guys, let me investigate and bring you back if I see something strange. Okay, guys, I did not check the fuse yet, but here is something strange. This is now that probe that comes in from the side. You can see there that strange marks, and then it look if something happened there, and then the label is burned definitely. It typically looks like a spark that run there, but I don't know. I don't know nothing about electronics. It's just how it looks for me. But they say the TV works fine, and the power was off for a day, about 16 hours. And then when the power come back, they hear the TV move. Okay, so here is also little marks, as you can see. So maybe something happened in this area. It's very old technology. It's actually a wonder that it holds on so long. And I can't see any blown components nowhere. So let me check the fuse, and then we'll probably go to the dustbin. Okay guys, I've tested the switch. That is correct. If I measure resistance between or continuity between that 2 points, it is off like this, and then on it there is continuity. and I tested the lead as well. So I plucked that out. So that is fine, and the fuse is fine. Okay, my friends, I think I'm going to leave it like is. Put it up for a video for us, just because one didn't see one of these old TVs anymore. Maybe one of you guys that are strong in electronics see something that I don't see, or what I can test or so. And if I hear nothing, it will go to scrap. I will probably save the whole PC board for just for spares, if it's necessary, for the switch and whatever. Okay guys, see you on the next video. Bye bye.